Filestack, revolutionizing file uploads and media processing for developers in today's digital-first world. Managing file uploads, transformations, and deliveries is a critical component of modern applications. Whether it's a social media platform allowing users to upload photos, an e-commerce site handling product images, or a healthcare app managing sensitive documents, the ability to efficiently process and manage files is essential. Enter Filestack, a powerful, developer-friendly platform that simplifies file handling and media processing for businesses of all sizes. Filestack is a cloud-based service that provides developers with the tools they need to handle file uploads, transformations, and deliveries seamlessly. With its robust API, Filestack has become a go-to solution for companies looking to streamline their file management workflows. This article explores the features, benefits, and use cases of Filestack, as well as its impact on the developer community and the broader tech industry. 1. What is Filestack? Filestack is a file handling and media processing platform designed to help developers integrate file uploads, transformations, and deliveries into their applications with minimal effort. Founded in 2012, Filestack has grown into a trusted solution for businesses across industries, offering a suite of tools that simplify complex file management tasks. At its core, Filestack provides file uploads, a seamless way to upload files from multiple sources, including local devices, cloud storage, and social media platforms. File transformations, on-the-fly image and video processing, including resizing, cropping, filtering, and more. File delivery, fast and reliable content delivery through a global CDN content delivery network. Security, advanced features like virus scanning, encryption, and access control to ensure data safety. 2. Key features of Filestack's success lies in its comprehensive feature set, which caters to the diverse needs of developers and businesses. Here are some of its standout features. A. File uploads made easy. Multi-source uploads. Users can upload files from local devices, URLs, cloud storage, e.g., Google Drive, Dropbox, and social media platforms, e.g., Instagram, Facebook. Drag-and-drop interface, a user-friendly interface that simplifies the upload process for end users. Chunked uploads, large files are uploaded in smaller chunks, ensuring reliability and reducing the risk of failures. B. Advanced media processing. Image transformations, resize, crop, rotate, and apply filters to images in real time. Video processing, convert video formats, extract thumbnails, and optimize videos for web delivery. Document conversions, convert documents, e.g., PDF, Word files, into different formats. C. Fast and reliable delivery. Global CDN. Filestack's content delivery network ensures fast and reliable file delivery to users worldwide. Intelligent ingestion. Files are routed through the optimal path for upload and delivery, minimizing latency. D. Security and compliance. Virus scanning. Automatically scan uploaded files for malware and viruses. Encryption. Secure file transfers with SSL/TLS encryption. Access control. Define permissions and access levels for uploaded files. E. Developer-friendly tools. RE's TEFL API. A simple and intuitive API that integrates seamlessly with any application. SDK. Pre-built SDKs for popular programming languages like JavaScript, Python, Ruby, and PHP. Documentation. Comprehensive documentation and tutorials to help developers get started quickly. 3. Use cases of Filestack's versatility makes it suitable for a wide range of industries and applications. Here are some common use cases. A. E-commerce product image management. Upload, resize, and optimize product images for online stores. User-generated content. Allow customers to upload reviews, photos, and videos. B. Social media uploads. Enable users to upload photos and videos to social media platforms. Content moderation. Automatically scan and filter inappropriate content. C. Healthcare document management. Securely upload and store patient records, lab results, and medical images. Compliance. Ensure compliance with regulations like HIPAA and GDPR. D. Education assignment submissions. Allow students to upload assignments and projects. Document conversion. Convert lecture notes and presentations into different formats. E. Real estate property listings. Upload and optimize high-resolution images and videos of properties. Document signing. Securely upload and manage contracts and agreements. 4. How Filestack stands out. Filestack differentiates itself from competitors through its ease of use, scalability, and comprehensive feature set. Unlike traditional file management solutions, Filestack is designed with developers in mind, offering a seamless integration process and robust documentation. Additionally, its focus on security and compliance makes it a trusted choice for businesses handling sensitive data. 5. The impact of Filestack on the tech industry. Filestack has had a significant impact on the tech industry by simplifying file management for developers and businesses. Its innovative approach has set new standards for file handling and media processing, inspiring other companies to adopt similar solutions. By reducing the complexity of file management, Filestack has empowered developers to focus on building better applications. 6. Expanding the article to 10,000,15,000 words. To expand this article into a 10,000,15,000 word piece, consider adding the following sections and details. Technical deep dive. Explore Filestack's architecture, including its use of cloud infrastructure and CDN. Discuss the technology stack behind Filestack's API and SDKs. Case studies. Provide real-world examples of companies using Filestack and the results they've achieved. Include quotes and testimonials from Filestack customers. Competitor analysis. Compare Filestack to competitors like Cloudinary, UploadCare, and AWS S3. Highlight Filestack's unique advantages. Step-by-step tutorials. Include detailed tutorials on integrating Filestack into different types of applications, e.g., MOB, mobile. Provide code snippets and examples for common use cases. Industry trends. Discuss the growing importance of file management in the digital age. Explore trends like serverless architecture, AI-driven media processing, and edge computing. Future of Filestack. Predict how Filestack might evolve in the coming years. Discuss potential new features and innovations. Developer community. Highlight Filestack's contributions to the developer community, such as open-source projects and hackathons. Discuss the role of community feedback in shaping Filestack's roadmap. Security and compliance. Provide an in-depth analysis of Filestack's security features. Discuss how Filestack helps businesses comply with regulations like GDPR and CCPA. Pricing and plans. Break down Filestack's pricing structure and plans. Compare the cost-effectiveness of Filestack to building in-house solutions. Behind the scenes, share insights into Filestack's company culture, team, and mission. Include interviews with Filestack's founders or key team members. Conclusion: Filestack has emerged as a game changer in the world of file management and media processing. By offering a powerful, developer-friendly platform, Filestack has simplified complex workflows and enabled businesses to focus on what they do best. As the demand for seamless file handling continues to grow, Filestack is well-positioned to remain a leader in the industry.